what's Merry Christmas Eve. By the time this video goes up, it'll be Christmas Eve. It's not Christmas Eve right now. It's actually 2 days until, no. What's today, the 23rd?
It is the 23rd.
So tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Oh no, so you guys will see this video.
Christmas?
On Christmas Day.
It's the finale.
Merry Christmas.
Finale of
I don't think this is gonna be finale because I don't want it to end on this note. Because nothing really is happening today. I don't know, we'll see. But today, what time is it? It's 9:40 and I've already worked out and Taz started cleaning while I was working out. Did you see how my accent kind of went back to normal? I'm trying to save it. Literally finished working out and started cleaning as well, and I thought to myself, I should probably vlog this because this is probably the most exciting thing that's happening today. We're literally cleaning everything, like dusting, cleaning, the floors, all the things that we put off. Really cleaning today for 2 reasons. Number one, we're leaving on Christmas Day and we're having someone stay here, and we want them to be, the house to be clean for them. And then also we get back on, I think, the 1st, so I want to come home to a clean house and not a disaster. So that's what we're doing it now. And got a couple errands to run today. Got to go to the post office to ship off all the orders that we got before we leave, and then I've got to get my brow laminated. I'm actually quite scared, nervous really, and then I've got to get my nails done. I'm gonna get pedicure and a manicure. Typically I would do it before the new year, like right before the new year, like 28th, 29th, but since we're not gonna be here, I'm just gonna get it done now. But I have to decide what I want for my nails. Don't know what I want to welcome the new year. What color do I want to welcome the new year? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna end this clip here so that I can get my regular accent back. I can't just fall back into it, it feels weird. So I'll come back later. Bye. We're making good progress, but I forgot to show you guys something. Taz's mom sent over cute little gifts the other day, and we didn't plan on hanging them up because we didn't have anywhere to hang them up, but I figured out a place. Look how cutie. So she said that she finally found a Y, and then she got us all stockings. So obviously mine, Taz's, and then the pups. And look how cute this little pocket. So what we got them for Christmas are these little guys. What?
Don't say it out loud. They're right here.
We got Bleeker this Kong, and then we got Kona this Kong. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put peanut butter, not tons, but a little bit of peanut butter in the Kongs, and then we'll bring these down by the tree, but we'll put them in the little pocket so they can sniff it and get it. Oh, so excited, so excited. All our invites fell over. So yeah, Taz is now mopping. Oh, he stopped, of course, when I showed him mopping. And then what else do we need to do? Finish up laundry.
Yeah, laundry. I gotta wrap her gift.
I gotta wrap presents too. Laundry, wrap up presents. I don't think I'm gonna be able to clean the office as much as I want to, but I need to organize it so I don't come back to that wreck. There was a bunch of boxes out here that are now in there. So I just need to kind of organize it. And I know it's not gonna be crazy good because the boxes are inventory, so I can't be too hard on myself, but it is what it is. Okay, I need to wash my hair. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow. Also, where's the thingy? Because I want to talk about this. It's so cool. So Karina and Katrina sent us this really cute package for Christmas. Ow, did I talk about this? I'm not even sure. Yes, I did, but I unboxed it, but I didn't talk about it because we hadn't used it. And so these are the spices. This is from Linverno. It's balsam fir, cedarwood, frankincense, and clove. And so these are literally just spices. They call them simmering spices. And it was funny because I was working out and Taz was like in the kitchen and I was like, why do I smell a Christmas tree? And it's because he had put this, and I'll show you what he did. You just take some water, and it looks quite nasty now, but and that's what it kind of, I mean, this is the end of it too. There was a lot of water and it was just boiling. and it was just making the house smell so nice. But yeah, we might have to like do another one because oh, you can add more water. So he's just adding more water, and again, it looks quite nasty. But you just put it on the stove, it boils, and then it creates the aromas. Lovely. All right, I'm gonna see if I can finish out here, and then maybe attack the office. Yeah. Okay, so I have to wrap some presents. I also got this for me. I'm gonna try the lashes for tomorrow. I don't know what all is in here, so we're gonna find out together. I want to show you. Yes, I want to show you what I got. Baby lemon. I saw it. It's not a huge gift at all, but I saw it and I thought it was so cute. Look how cute. Baby's first Christmas. Hold on. There it is. Baby's first Christmas, and it says 2020. And this could be for her. It's a little heavy, but you can also put this on it and be like an ornament. So I'm just gonna put it in a little baggie and give it to Mama Joe. I hope they like it. Okay, I am gonna wrap as many gifts as I can, and then I'll come back and chit chat with y'all. Actually, I think we're making pretty good time. It's 10:52. I have to edit my video, edit an Instagram video, and wash my hair before we leave. I think for like 3-ish. Yeah. Hi. I look like a different person. I washed my hair. Took me forever today. The last time I did my hair was when I did the hair tutorial, not hair tutorial, my routine, and it was tragic. Taz came in the bathroom and he's like, what's that on the wall? And it was literally all my hair. He's like, why so much? And I said, I know. It is what it is. That's it.
You like that sometimes?
Yes, I shed. Or I don't shed, I just lose a lot of hair when I shower. Anywho, finally made it out of the house and it's 3 o'clock. Right on time, dropping Taz off at church, dropping off a bunch of packages before we go out of town, and then I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. I'm so excited, so nervous, but we're gonna do this. This is not gonna be sponsored whatsoever. I want to let you know that I'm paying for this. So yeah, I just want to see it. I was thinking about doing the DIY kit like on Amazon, and then Joe's like, there are things that we DIY and then there are things that we don't. This is one of the things you don't. So leaving it into professional hands, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like after. So this is the before, and I'll show you the after. All right, let's do this. This is the before. I haven't done them in a long time, so please do not judge me. I guess that's a good thing. And I will show you the after and the process. Here we go.
Thanks so much.
So basically the first solution I'm going to put on is kind of like a firming solution almost, to like break the bonds with the hair. And it smells like a girl. It smells like eggs. You said like eggs? Yeah. Oh, great. Great. Wow, you are not wrong.
I know.
Wow, that is an egg. And so have you shaped them yet or no?
No, not yet. I'm gonna shape them afterwards just so I can work with as much hair as possible first.
So what does this do? I'm sorry?
So this first part is it's the first step in the lamination process. It's basically perming the hairs, like breaking the bonds of the hair so yeah, they can be formed into any shape or go in any direction rather than just like be curly or like go down. So we're essentially just like straightening them. Got it. Like relaxing them almost.
This is a look.
Yeah. them a little bit and then tint them. Wow. Yeah, it's a big difference already. Imagine, imagine when I tint them.
Oh boy, oh boy.
For the tint.
Okay, so essentially we're done, right? We're just doing the tint.
Yes, we're about to do the tint, and that's gonna make an even bigger difference.
Wow. So it looks a little white because I did the tan thing, and now. Okay, well. All right, I am all done, and they look super dark right now because she did them, or she tinted them, and then she put a gloss over, so they look like they're like plastered onto my face. But she said they'll get lightened, which I really hope so because they're a little too dark for me right now. So yeah, so far so good. We'll see what the final result is in like maybe a day, because yeah, they're not gonna look like this. But now I am gonna meet Joe for a little Thanksgiving dinner with her, I can't even speak, with myself and her and Lenny. Taz and Lem, her husband, are at church for the first Christmas Eve service, and we're gonna go tomorrow for Christmas Eve. And I feel like I look so funny with my hair pulled back. It looks like I have no hair and I have really dark eyebrows. Okay, I hope that these lighten, like I really, really do. I have this thing on them, the little gloss that she put on, and she said I can wash it off in 24 hours, so that's why it looks like they're just like really arched. I don't know. Okay, bye. No, like last day I'm filming.
Oh, why is this white?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Lenny.
Hey.
Cutie pie.
How many times have you been on the vlog?
She's like more famous than anyone.
Definitely.
Good morning, guys. It's now the next day, and I just ended up going back to Joe's house. Taz met me there because we only have one car now, and then we went home. But yeah, I think that's gonna be our new tradition, having sushi on Christmas Eve, which is fun. But yeah, we just went back home, hung out for a little bit, and then Taz and I came home. And I just wanted to close the vlog off today so you can see the eyebrows on the day after. Obviously, they're still a little bit dark, and I still have that thing on my eyebrows because she said I couldn't take it off for 24 hours. So they will get lighter, so I like them. I just want them to be what they're gonna look like so I can get a better feel. But Taz likes them, Joe thinks they look great, everyone thinks they look great that's seen me, so I'm very happy with them. Just check my Instagram or my next couple of videos if you want to see what they're gonna look like indefinitely after I wash this off. But yeah, if you're in Houston, check them out. I'll link them below. And again, it wasn't sponsored at all. I paid for them. Oh, before I forget, people are probably gonna ask how much it was. It was $99, so not horrible. And I think it was good because these last 6 to 8 weeks is what she said. So I'm gonna close the vlog off right here. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my gosh, I literally just realized you're gonna be watching this on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having the best day with your family and your friends, or if you can't, I hope that you're having the best day regardless. I love you all so much. I hope you have the best Christmas ever, and we'll see you in the next one. We love you. Bye.